Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make Apple Keynote vertical. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Keynote software. We can see here many slides and the all slides is horizontal. Now you want to make the slides vertical, go to the more option and go to the print option. We can see here creating the presentation. Wait some moment to preparing the file. We can see here loading the preview of print. Then you can open the more setting and change the page size, etc. Now you want to make the print system. Go to this print using system dialog option and go to the print option. Then go to this preference option and go to the layout. Then we can see here the orientation option. Now I make this portrait. Then we can see pages per sheet. You can change the pages per sheet option. Now you can go to the advanced option and you can change the size. Now I click OK and click OK again. Then click apply and click this print option. Then wait some moment. Then we save this file and we can see here the presentation. Now we make the file is vertical. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for